Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will continue the chapter number 5 fraction. In the previous lecture we learned about like fractions, unlike fractions and how to convert unlike fractions into like fractions. Today we will learn how to compare the fractions. So first we see how to compare like fraction. First we see how to compare the like fractions. Look at this rectangle. This rectangle is divided into 5 equal parts. Each part is 1 out of 5 equal parts. So how can we represent using a fraction? 1 upon 5. And see, 3 out of 5 equal parts are colored. How can we write using a fraction? 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5 means 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5. How much white part is? 2 upon 5. 2 upon 5 means 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5. See, 3 upon 5 means 3 out of 5 equal parts. 2 upon 5 means 2 out of 5 equal parts. Now can you tell me which one is bigger? See here, the color part is bigger than the white part. 3 out of 5 equal parts is always greater than 2 out of 5 equal parts. So we can say the fraction 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5 is greater than 2 upon 5. And this is written as 3 upon 5 is greater than 2 upon 5. 3 upon 5 is greater than 2 upon 5. Now listen carefully. The denominators are the same and the numerators are, here is 2 and here is 3. So in this, the fraction with greater numerator is greater. So what we can say? In two fractions, the denominators are same. The fraction with the greater numerator is bigger. Why? Because the denominator represents the total number of parts and the numerator is number of parts that we are consider. So the fraction with the greater numerator is bigger. Now look here. Here the rectangle is divided into 8 equal parts. From that 3 parts are colored by one color and 4 parts are colored by another color. Here 3 parts out of 8 equal parts are colored by one color. So this is written as 3 upon 8 and another colored 4 out of 8 equal parts. So this is written as 4 upon 8. This is written as 4 upon 8. See, 3 upon 8 means 3 out of 8 equal parts and 4 upon 8 means 4 out of 8 equal parts. So as you can clearly see that this region is greater than this region. So we can say that the fraction 3 upon 8 is smaller than 4 upon 8. This is written as 3 upon 8 is less than 4 upon 8. Once again, see, denominators are same. That means they are like fractions. Then the fraction with the greater numerator is the greater fraction. So when we compare the fractions, we need to check only numerator if the denominators are same. Means like fraction. So in like fractions, the fraction with the greater numerator is the greater fractions. What about the fraction whose numerators are equal but denominators are different? How to compare fractions with equal numerator? See, you have learned that the value of fractions with numerator 1. The value of fraction with numerator 1 decreases as the denominator increases, even if the numerator is not 1. The same rule applies for all the fractions have a common numerator. Look here. See here, in the first one, 2 out of 3 equal parts are colored. In the second one, 2 out of 4 equal parts are colored. In the third one, 2 out of 5 equal parts are colored. If you can clearly see that this region is bigger than this and this bigger than this. That means 2 upon 3 greater than 2 upon 4 greater than 2 upon 5. What do you understand by this? Two fractions with equal numerator. Two fractions with equal numerators. The fractions with the greater denominator is the smaller fraction. The fractions with the greater denominator is the smaller fraction. Now, what about the unlike fractions? What about unlike fractions? See here, how to compare the unlike fractions? How to compare the unlike fractions? See, you know how to compare the like fractions. So here first we need to convert them into like fractions into like fractions. And you know how to do it. So see here, I will explain to you with the example. Here I take the pair of unlike fractions 3 upon 5, 4 upon 7. We have to convert them into equivalent fractions or the like fractions. Then their denominators will be same. Now see, here the denominators are 5 and 7. 5 and 7. So here first we have to find the common. We have to find smallest common multiples of 5 and 7. So 35 is the common multiple of 5 and 7. 35 is the common multiple of 5 and 7. So we have to convert them into its equivalent fraction with denominator 35. So let's see. First is 3 upon 5. So how can we get 35 from 5? How do we get 35 from 5? If we multiply 5 by 7, we get 35. So here we multiply 5 by 7. So we need to multiply 3 by 7. So we get 3 sevens are 21. 5 sevens are 35. We get 21 upon 35. See the next fraction. Next is 4 upon 7. How do we get 35 from 7? If we multiply 7 by 5, we get 35. So here we have to multiply 7 by 5. We need to multiply 4 by 5. 4 5s are 20. 7 5s are 35. Here we get 20 upon 35. So see here the denominators are same, 35 and 35. Here the denominators are same, 35 and 35. Now see the numerators. Here is 21 and you know 21 is bigger than 20. So here we need to check only numerator. Here we need to check only numerator because the denominators are same. 21 is bigger than 20. So the fraction 21 upon 35 is greater than 20 upon 35. 21 upon 35 is greater than 20 upon 35. So for comparing the unlike fraction, first we need to convert them into their equivalent fractions so that their denominators are same. Now see, now we solve the problem set 19. See the question. Write the proper symbol from less than, greater than or equal to in the box. See the first one. First one is 3 upon 7, 3 upon 7. Here both numerator and denominators are same. That means 3 upon 7 is equal to 3 upon 7. Now see the next one. In the next one, the denominators are same and the numerator, here is 3 and here is 2. And you know 3 is greater than 2. So 3 upon 8 is greater than 2 upon 8. Now see the next one. In the next one again, denominators are same, that is 11, and here we need to check numerator. Here we need to check only numerator. So here is 2 and here is 10. 2 is smaller than 10. So 2 upon 11 is smaller than 10 upon 11. Now see the next one. Next one is 4 upon 5 upon 15 and 10 upon 30. See here, in the denominators 15 and 30. And 30 is a multiple of 15. See, if you multiply 15 by 2, we get 30. If you multiply 15 by 2, we get 30. So we need to multiply 5 by 2. 5 2s are 10. We get the same fraction. We get same 10 upon 30. So here which sign is come? Equal to sign. That means 5 upon 15 is equal to 10 upon 30. Now see the next one. In the next one, see here the fractions is 5 upon 8, 5 upon 9. Here the numerators are same. So here we have to check denominators. Here we have to check the denominators. See in the denominators, here is 8 and here is 9. So which fraction is bigger? 5 upon 8 is bigger than 5 upon 9. Now see next 6, 7 and 8. You can solve by your own. Now come to the next one. Next one is 9. See 5 upon 6 and 1 upon 8. Here the fractions are 5 upon 6 and 1 upon 8. Here the denominators are different. So first we need to convert them into like fractions because they are unlike. So see 6 and 8. In the denominators 6 and 8. So we have to find first we have to find the common multiple. So 24 is the common multiple of 6 and 8. How do we get 24 from 6? If you multiply 6 by 4, we get 24. So we need to multiply 5 by 4. So we get 20. Now in 1 upon 8, here we have to multiply 8 by 3. So we get 24. We need to multiply 1 by 3. So now we get the fraction 20 upon 24 and 3 upon 24. So which one is bigger? 20 upon 24 is bigger than 3 upon 24. So here which sign is come? Greater than. Now see the next one. Next one is 5 upon 12 and 1 upon 6. See here, if you observe 12 is a multiple of 6. 12 is multiple of 6. Means if you multiply 6 by 2, we get 12. So we need to multiply 1 by 2. So here we get 2 upon 12. So we can say that 5 upon 12 is greater than 2 upon 12. Now come to the next one. See next 11 and 12 and 13. You can solve by your own. Now come to next one. Next one is 14. Here the fractions are given 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 7. 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 7. Here again denominators are different. Denominators is 3 and 7. So first we have to find common multiple. Common multiple of 3 and 7. So 21 is the common multiple of 3 and 7. So how do we get 21 from 3? If we multiply 3 by 7, so we get 21. So we need to multiply 2 by 7. 2 sevens are 14. Now in the second fraction C, how do we get 21 from 7? If we multiply 7 by 3, we get 21. So we need to multiply 4 by 3. 4 3s are 12. Now tell me which fraction is greater? See here, we get 14 upon 21 and 12 upon 21. So we can say that 14 upon 21 is greater than 12 upon 21. That means 2 upon 3 is greater than 4 upon 7. Now come to the next one. Next one is 3 upon 7 and 5 upon 9. So again here we have to convert them into See, next one is 3 upon 7 and 5 upon 9. See, in the denominators, here is 7 and here is 9. So we have to find the common multiple of 9 and 7. 9 and 7. See, 63 is the common multiple of 9 and 6. How do we get 63 from 7? How do we get 63 from 7? 7 9s are 63. 7 9s are 63. So, if we multiply 7 by 9, we get 63. So, we need to multiply 3 by 9. 9 3s are 21. Now, see, how do we get 63 from 9? If we multiply 9 by 7, we get 63. We need to multiply 5 by 7. 5 7s are 35. Now tell me, which fraction is smaller or bigger? See, 3 upon 7 is smaller than 5 upon 9. Now see the last one. See here 4 upon 11 and 1 upon 5. So again here we have to convert them into the like fractions. So see, we have to find the common multiple of 11 and 5. Common multiple of 11 and 5 is 55. 55. So, how do we get 55 from 11? If we multiply 11 by 5, we get 55. So, we need to multiply 4 by 5. 4 5s are 20. And see, if we multiply 1 upon 5 by 11, we get 11 upon 55. So, which one is bigger? Obviously, 20 upon 55 is bigger. So, here 4 upon 11 is bigger or greater than 1 upon 5. 4 upon 11 is greater than 1 upon 5. Now, see, here we complete the problem set 19. Here we complete the problem set 19.